a chilling twist in the case of missing Sabongeros. A whistleblower has come forward claiming that all of the missing cockfighting enthusiasts may have been killed and their bodies dumped in Taal Lake. Here is the report.
The Justice Department will verify the testimony of a whistleblower who recently surfaced with information regarding the disappearance of more than 30 cockfighting enthusiasts or Sabongeros. The whistleblower revealed that all 34 missing individuals were already dead and that their bodies were dumped in Taal Lake. Justice Secretary Boying Remulla said the whistleblower's claim is plausible, especially since there has been no trace of where the victims were taken.
Marahil kailangan ng tactical diver yan. Pagka ma-determine natin ang veracity ng information, we will need tactical divers to do it kasi malalim din yan. And it's not easy to go into a lake bed to look for human remains.
The DOJ is open to speaking with the whistleblower to verify the details he can provide as part of the case build-up. Authorities are also studying whether he can be placed under the Witness Protection Program.
Pwede yan. Pagka we-vet natin, pag-aaralan natin yung sinasabi niya kasi may hawak na mga ibang testigo eh. Pero marahil kung kakausapin ko kung sino man ang gustong pumunta rito upang magsabi ng katotohanan. Kasi nga, ano to eh, nasa kaluluwa to ng Pilipino eh. It's in the very soul, it's very much into the question of the Filipino soul. How we can put to rest things that happen to us. Hindi natin pwedeng pabayaan to and just let it go. We have to be responsible enough to seek the truth.
The Philippine National Police said it is also ready to search Taal Lake to determine whether the remains of the missing Sabongeros are indeed there. But officials warned that the process could take time.
Ilang taon na po ang lumipas, kung talagang doon po nailibing yan ay we don't expect siguro na may makikita pa tayo na mga bangkay dyan. If not, siguro yung mga remains na lang o yung mga buto. So it will take a long process.
The PNP likewise said it is willing to provide security for the whistleblower.
Si Chief mismo ay daling ko para makausap po nitong witness po na yon. Kailangan na siya mismo ang sumama at doon sa ituturo niyang lugar.
Meanwhile, the DOJ assured the families of the victims that efforts to seek justice remain active. The agency vowed to hold those behind the crime accountable.